Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe unboxing for you guys. Well, I shouldn't say unboxing because I've already unboxed it, but I wanted to share with you guys what came in my BoxyLuxe this month. I have to say I was really impressed with it. So if you guys don't know, BoxyCharm and BoxyLuxe is a subscription for $21 a month, and then every quarter you can upgrade your box, and it's approximately $50, and you get over $300 in beauty products, hair care, skincare, etc. So this month's theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. And sorry if I haven't been in a lot of my videos lately. I've been really busy with work and haven't had the time to truly sit down and film. So I've just been doing these videos where I could just do them spur of the moment, no hair, no makeup, without myself in them. So these are the products that we got. That's our little cheat sheet here. And let me jump in and show you guys what was in my box. So first I will start with this PYT bag. We did get the mini blow dryer. It has a retail value of $85. So I'll pull mine out so you guys can see what color mine is. If I can get it out one-handed. There we go. So I got the peachy pink color in mine. And since cutting my hair off and having short hair, I love the idea of this mini blow dryer. I know a lot of people were disappointed in it. They thought it was something crazy to be in the box. Personally, I think it's something that I'm going to enjoy. I don't have to haul around a big blow dryer. I got this little mini dryer. My hair's short, and it should work out really well for me. It also came with some diffuser attachments. We have that one. And we have one other. Personally, I usually don't use diffuser attachments, but you know what? I might give them a try. The next item that I have here is the Tarte Xxx Pro Glo 3. I was really happy I got this in my box. I know a lot of people got customization emails. I didn't get my email, and I eventually found it in my spam folder when it was too late, so I didn't get to pick. And I got exactly what I wanted. I did not want the eyeshadow palette because I felt like it was too similar to what we already had received in one of the prior boxes. So let me go ahead and open up the Tarte palette. I am so excited to give this a try. So if I can keep it open, that's what it looks like. You got the two blushes on the top, you got two highlighters and two bronzers. These look right up my alley. Like I said, I am so excited to give these a try. So that was an excellent value. It had a retail price of $45 on it. Next item I'm going to show you, this is the Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. This has a retail value of $22 on it. Let's pop it open real quick. So it looks like that. Personally, I love the Touch in Sol primer that we got in the last box that they included it in. I'm trying to think of what it was called. Not sure what it was called, but anyway, absolutely love that primer because it felt like it was silicone based. This one is more liquidy, if you can hear it. So I don't think that this one's going to work as well for me as the other one. And I definitely have considered repurchasing the other primer that we received. Next item I'm going to show you guys, this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This was the only item that I seemed to be disappointed in receiving. I don't use too many hair styling products. I use a hair oil, I use leave-in conditioner, I flat iron my hair. So I don't know how to use this product, but you know what? I might give it a try, see what it does for me. This has a retail value of $29. If I don't like it, I'm just going to pass it on to a friend or a family member. We also got a lip gloss here from Dominique Cosmetics. This has a retail value of $17. The shade I received in my box is Peach Tea. So let me go ahead and pop that open for you guys. Looks like that. Not the greatest shade, but you know what? It's a very, very wearable shade. So I'm not too disappointed in it, especially because there was so much good in this month's box. We also got a mascara. This is from Tarte, and it has a retail value of $25. And it has a built-in eyelash curler on the top of it there. Personally, I've never used an eyelash curler that small, so we'll definitely see how that goes. I'm definitely intrigued by this. I'm glad it has an eyelash curler because I need a new eyelash curler. I don't know where my eyelash curler went to. So the last 3 products I have to show you guys, I am super pumped about because these were like top products to get in my box. The Tarte Xxx palette and these 4 items were hands down my favorite products to receive. So the first item here, this is the Pharmacy Beauty Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Has a retail value of $58. I've really been getting into skincare and taking better care of my skin. So I love getting high-end skincare products in my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy. So it looks like that. Definitely cannot wait to give it a try, see how it performs. Another skincare item we received is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. And this is the pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. This has a retail value of, let's see here, $35. Oh, $35. That's kind of hefty for a cleanser, so I'm glad I got it in my box. I've really been loving the Glam Glow cleanser that I recently got in a box, so to have another good name brand cleanser to give a try, I'm glad to have this in my collection. The other item I'm really glad I received because I know this was a alternate for a lot of people. Not everyone got this in their box, but I'm glad that I got it in my box. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist. This has a retail value of $35. So definitely looking forward to seeing how this performs. Never heard of this brand, but you know what? I'm open to trying it. So I have a slight mess here of all my products that I got from BoxyLuxe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Bye, everyone.